everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful neon makeup look. I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the pink shadow. I am using the Jaclynhill palette volume 2. A lot of you guys requested I wanted to see more makeup looks, so here is another one. Your girl had issues getting this makeup look done. My room is really hot and I don't have an AC in my room, so I was having so much difficulties getting this makeup look to look good, so I had to do it a bunch of times over again. So I'm going to go ahead with the orangey shade and I'm going to apply this right on top of the pink. It's okay if we lost the pink. We're going to go ahead and retouch everything anyways. So then I'm going to go ahead and place the yellow on top of the orange just to blend out the harsh line. And you want to take your time blending this color in and patting the color into the top of that orangey shade. Let me know what you guys think about me doing up close videos, close-ups. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like it, or do you guys like it like me being further away. So then I'm going to go back and apply the orangey shade again, and then I'm going to go back and apply the pink color. I really didn't know what I was going with this makeup look. I really wanted to do something different. I felt like I've done this look, but I don't know. Then I decided to apply a burgundy-ish color, but it came out looking pink. I don't know why, so I was like, you know what? Just leave it alone. It came out to be a neon makeup look. Then I'm going to go ahead and add this gold sparkles in the inner corner of the eyes. Then I'm going to go and apply my Benefit Pore Professionals. Alright guys, so I tanned myself for the first time, and so you guys can see my neck is like a different color. So I'm using this different color foundation to match my neck. I know I look a little yellow and crazy, but I promise you guys it's going to look amazing and I'm going to match. So I'd rather have my foundation look a little bit darker than a lot lighter, because it's harder to fix lighter shades. So just bear with me guys, it will look amazing, you know, just bear with me, because honestly this matched my neck really good, so I was impressed about that. It's just that I felt like it looked too orangey, too yellow. I don't know, something about it I didn't like. And I am mixing two shades, a darker and a lighter shade, just to kind of get a match. But this is as close as I could get. And I mean, after I applied the concealer and everything else, it looked amazing. Alright, here I'm using ColourPop concealer. I'll list all the products down below for you guys. I will be adding another concealer on top of this one because this one matches a little bit to the foundation. So I kind of wanted something a little bit lighter. Alright, then after that, I'm just going to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. I don't want anything creasing or anything like that. I honestly was very impressed how this foundation looked. I wish I can get a little bit of color that really matches me, because it would be amazing. Alright, so here I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter, I think it is. I'll link all the information down below. It's a little bit lighter. So I applied this under the eyes just to lighten them up. Oh my god, I'm tongue twisted. So yeah, I'm just blending everything, make sure that everything's really nice and blended. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. These are the Araceli Beauty lashes, and these are in the style Catherine. I'll list her products down below. I love her lashes. They're amazing. So then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some setting powder. I believe this is the Lancome setting powder. I'm just going to apply this all over my face just to set everything, because I am oily, so I do have to set everything, because if not, I'm going to be so oily it's crazy. But if you have a dry skin, I don't suggest you set your face. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my bronzer. This one is from Laura Mercier. It's a cool tone and I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face a little bit just to make it appear thinner. I wish it was thin. But yeah, anyways. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my falsies just so they stick together and they look like they're mine. Then I'm going to go with blush. This one is from Too Faced, and like I said, I'll list all the products down below. So yeah, I wanted to make my cheeks look pink, and then I go ahead and blend everything out just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. So I'm going back with that pink shadow. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the bottom lash line, and I'm just using a Morphe pencil brush. Don't forget to use Prettygrace for some money off, you guys. So yeah. So I did pink on both eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and switch it to a orangey shade and just kind of blend the pink out a little bit. So I'm just applying that. And then I'm going to go with the yellow to blend all the colors out. So yeah. Doesn't it look pretty? Alright, I'm going to go with Veramona's highlighter. And oh my god, look how beautiful the highlighter. It just pops. So don't forget to check them out. I'll link them down below. I did use my color switch with them. I just didn't show it because like I zoomed in so you guys really can't see what I was doing. But the color switch is amazing as well because you can switch colors in the brush and you don't have to like clean it, like physically have to wait until it dries. So I'll probably make a video about it. Let me know if you guys want to see a video about the color switch. Anyways, I'm using Frenchie from Morphe as my lip liner today. Then I'm using forgot the name of it. Yash. I don't know, it's Y-A-S-H. Can't even say it. As my lipstick. Honestly, I feel like this color lipstick wasn't the right choice for me, but I mean, I already had it done. And I didn't realize until I started taking my pictures, I noticed that I didn't like the lip color, so. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you guys think about this look. What other looks would you guys like to see? And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. And stay safe.
This is our story. It's written